Enormous consist represents engineering achievement and operational expertise, moving nations' commerce efficiently and sustainably.
Roger that. Proceeding with the scene.
.238.6. Brake system inspection examines air hoses, valves, and brake rigging, verifying proper function.
Control, we have a critical defect on the A-end wheel. The crack is circled. Requesting immediate set-out.
Coupling inspection verifies knuckles and draft gear function properly. Reliable couplings essential for safety.
Air brake test verifies pneumatic systems function properly throughout assembled consist.
Classification hump features raised track suction.
Complex tripwire scope, dropwire dropper, drop practice, precision switch, vehicles canching.
Automated classification system uses computers controlling switches and retarders.
Weight measurement systems determine car loads, guiding retarder application. Accurate weight data enables proper.
Move the Union Pacific cars to staging track 3.
Done. The consist is finalized.
Track assignment coordinates car placement, building organized trains. Systematic track assignment places cars.
138.19.119. Train build plan specifies car order considering destinations and commodity restrictions.
Check the placard on the silver car again. Incompatible with the tanker.
Confirmed. Rule 238.20 is satisfied.
Empty car positioning typically places light cars toward the train rear, minimizing derailment risk. Proper
238.22. Loaded car distribution balances train weight, optimizing locomotive.
Refrigerated car placement considers power supply and temperature monitoring requirements. Reefer cars require special handling.
Intermodal car arrangement organizes container and trailer cars for efficient terminal operations. Proper sequence.
238.25. Automobile carrier positioning places vehicle carrying cars appropriately, protecting valuable cargo.
238.26. Center beam lumber car placement considers long car lengths affecting train dynamics.
Tank car segregation separates petroleum and chemical products by compatibility.
Okay. Localized microfracture detected near the axle casing. Documenting this now per 238.28. Placing a hold tag.
Journal bearing inspection checks axle lubrication, detecting potential hotboxes. Thermal sensors and visual inspection identify inadequate.
Draft gear examination verifies cushioning devices protecting cargo from impacts. Properly
This is an oxidizer. Initiate the isolation perimeter.
Check the guide for exposure protocols.
Copy that, Captain.
Waybill compilation assembles shipping documents for assembled train. Comprehensive documentation lists all cars, commodities, and routing information.
Locomotive assignment coordinates available power with train tonnage and routing. Mail dispatchers assign appropriate locomotive types and quantities.
Locomotive coupling connects power units to assembled train consist. Mechanical connection through draft gear links locomotive.
238.37. Air brake connections couple the lines throughout the train. Main reservoir and brake pipe connection.
Air brake charging pumps air into system, pressurizing brake lines throughout consist. Adequate system pressure essential for releasing brakes.
238.41. Radio communication links distributed power units coordinating throttle and brake commands. Wireless systems transmit 238.43. Head-end power configured. Supplies electrical power for passenger equipment if applicable.
The bearing temperature on axle 3 is spiking again.
We need to flag this for immediate inspection at the next depot.
Positive train control verification confirms safety systems active and functioning, requiring verification before departure, ensuring safety system protection.
Automatic equipment identification readers confirm car sequence matches computer records. Final 8.
Train length measurement determines overall consist dimension affecting operations. Length considerations.
Tonnage calculation sums car weights determining total train mass. Accurate tonnage, essential for calculating braking distance.
238.51. Horsepower per ton ratio verifies locomotive power.
238.52. Brake shoe count determination verifies adequate braking force. Minimum brake shoe requirements ensure assembled train.
2400 238.583. Train handling instructions provide engineer with consist-specific operating guidance.
Engineer Smith and Conductor Jones assigned to Train 42, confirmed under 238.55. Route familiarity verified.
Pay close attention to this frontal system here. It might affect our fuel reserves.
Understood, Captain. Are there any restrictions on the alternate route?
Yes, analyze the freezing levels.
All right, run a quick radio check for me.
Dispatch, this is Crew 238, radio check, loud and clear.
Good. Lanterns and flags verified. You're clear?
Ensure we adhere to the revised oxygen requirements for FL350.
Roger that, Captain. And the TFR around the city airport is still active until 1400 Z.
Track warrant authorization provides movement authority for non-signal territory.
Dispatcher issued warrants grant permission, ensuring safe separation from opposing trains.
238.60. Signal indication verification ensures proper signal display.
238.61. Brake release initiation begins sequence, reducing air brake.
Initial movement begins slowly, allowing detection of unexpected problems, stopping quickly.
Slack adjustment carefully controls in-train forces during acceleration. Skilled throttle handling stretches slack gradually.
Dynamic brake testing verified that the braking initial operation earlier.
Grade ascending challenges locomotive pulling power climbing steep inclines. Careful throttle management maintains momentum.
Requires intentional research nectar last and deuced seymour portents prevailable slip power.
Fuel stop positioning enables refueling locomotives during crew changes. Strategic refueling maintains locomotive
We have a shifted load on the hopper car. Looks like timber, leaning precarious. Hold the train.
The 7 a.m. rundown is complete. All clear on the line. Stay alert past milepost 40.
Attention all crews. Track 2 is now active.
238.72. Siding operations enable meets with opposing trains sharing single track.
We have a critical blockage on the blue line, initiating reroute procedure.
Acknowledged. 238.75 is clear for priority override.
Weather monitoring adjusts operations for adverse conditions, snow, ice, floods, and extreme temperatures.
Work zone restrictions reduce speeds through maintenance areas. Temporary slow orders protect track workers, ensure
a tunnel operation and addresses ventilation and emergence procedures. Enclosed spaces require special considerations for
238.84. Urban area operations reduce noise and observe restricted speeds. Residential zones require.
Yard approach 238.875 is clear for entry on track floor.
Right.
Over.
238.86. Arrival inspection examines train condition after mainline on operation.
Ensure the fuel pressure is stabilized before disconnecting.
Pressure is steady. Hose is secured. Unit 87 is cleared for service.
Here are the keys to your new car. Enclosed is the service manual. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you so much. I appreciate the quick service.
238.889. Documentation completion records foregoing performance and incidents. Trip document delays.
Performance analysis evaluates train handling and fuel efficiency. Data review identifies improvement opportunities.
Safety review examines incidents and near misses, identifying lessons learned. Systematic analysis prevents
238.92. Fuel efficiency measurement tracks consumption, comparing against benchmarks. Monitoring fuel use identifies inefficient operations and validates improvements from modified handling techniques.
Customer notification provides shipment status updates throughout journey. Proactive communication keeps customers informed.
Equipment utilization analysis monitors car and locomotive productivity. Asset management optimization maximum.
238.96. Maintenance scheduling coordinates repairs with traffic requirements.
Crew scheduling optimization balances labor costs against service requirements. Efficient crew utilization reduces.
Network optimization models traffic flows, improving overall system efficiency.
Technology integration incorporates automation and data analytics, improving operations. Modern systems enhance
Breakdowns. Environmental stewardship monitors emissions and efficiency, supporting sustainability goals. Fuel efficiency improvements and
238.101. Safety culture and vigilance and
Training programs maintain workforce competency, adapting to technological changes. Ongoing education ensures personnel capability.
Stores. 238.103. Regulatory compliance ensures meet federal safety standards. System.
Investment maintains and expands capacity, supporting economic growth. Capital improvements in
intermodal integration coordinates with trucking and shipping, connecting transportation modes. Seamless connections enable door-to-door service, combining each mode's advantages. Alternative fuels exploration investigates hydrogen and battery electric locomotives, reducing emissions. Sustainable propulsion development supports environmental goals.
Autonomous operation research develops technologies enabling crewless trains. Driverless operations present free. Predictive maintenance applies analytics, forecasting equipment failures. Data-driven maintenance scheduling.
Distributed power optimization enhances train handling through improved power placement. Sophisticated
Data link, sulfurized. Capacity expansion addresses growing traffic demands through infrastructure investment.
Customer service enhancement improves visibility and responsiveness, meeting shipper expectations. Service improvements maintain competitiveness.
Modal shift promotion emphasizes rail environmental advantages, attracting environmentally conscious shippers. Sustainability.
Congestion relief benefits society by removing trucks from high lanes.
Energy efficiency advantages demonstrate rail superiority, moving freight long distances. Ton-mile fuel.
Shows working first time rail racks and pins.
Quad 1 for quad 2-3 out 1-1-1-9. Economic efficiency enables competitive long-distance freight.
Employment supports hundreds of thousands of nationwide, while compensated railroad employment contributes substantially to communities throughout network.
Community impact recognizes railroad presence shaping towns and cities, railroad infrastructure and operating.
Future challenges include maintaining infrastructure and adapting to changing traffic patterns, aging infrastructure.
Sustainability leadership positions railroads as environmentally responsible freight transportation. Fuel efficiency. Innovation continues advancing railroad technology, improving safety and efficiency. Ongoing development.
Enormous consist represents engineering achievement and operational expertise, moving nations' commerce efficiently and sustainably.